While the prospect of piling up a large amount of debt puts many off studying altogether, there are certainly some ways you can take to avoid being under debt. Before starting the work on these tips, you must know that you won't be able to stick to them unless you adopt a saving mentality. Today, I'm going to share with you 12 tips to save money while you're a student. But before starting the video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more great content. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, know your discounts. A great perk of being a student is your student ID. This ID card does not only entitle you to a discount at various places like restaurants, retail stores, and cultural centers, it also provides you valuable reductions on tech products from tech giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Adobe. Using these discounts wisely can make you gather big savings. Number 2, use shared living place. A great way to save money in college is by living in a shared apartment instead of living alone. Dividing the rent among a group instead of paying it off yourself, you will save a good amount every month. More than that, you will also be able to share your utility bills and costs of furniture and other things, saving further money every month. Number 3, buy used books, furniture, and clothes. One of the essential costs of being a student is to buy a number of new books at the beginning of each semester. A good way to save money here is to buy the books secondhand. The same can be done with other things like furniture and clothes. You will be able to find incredible difference in the cost of new and secondhand products. You can later resell your books after the semester is over. Number 4, cherish your belongings. A great tip for saving money as a student is to look after the things you already own, instead of throwing them away with the first signs of wear. You can do a bit of effort to restore and use them for a longer period. Doing this will prevent you from spending money needlessly on buying new things. This attitude will also make you an environment-friendly person. Replacing the broken screen on your phone and sewing up a hole in your jumper will prove environment-friendly by restricting the consumption of more and more products. Number 5, save on your utility bills. If you ponder upon how much energy you are wasting needlessly, you would be able to make considerable savings each month. From turning down the thermostat to avoiding keeping your devices on standby, from comparing water or electricity providers for a cheaper deal, to upgrading inefficient home appliances, all of that can save you a chunk of money every month. Living in a shared apartment will make this tip easier for you, as everyone will be doing their own part of this effort. Number 6, learn to make a budget. A crucial skill for saving money as a student is to learn how to budget. This involves having a deep overview of your monthly income and expenditures. After that, you will optimize your spending to be able to start putting some money aside for your saving goals. There are a number of budgeting mobile apps that will help you be in control of your financial matters. Learning this art as a student will ensure a secure financial future for you. Number 7, have a simple lifestyle. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle might be the greatest thing you can do to protect your bank balance. A minimalist way of living means that you own fewer things. It further means that you buy only those things that are essential for your life, and don't get sucked into the traps of materialistic culture that makes you want to believe that more things means more happiness. With this mindset, you can do wonders because you have already started thinking that many things that looked vital weren't needed by you. Number 8, use a frozen batch of food. As we know that buying in bulk is mostly cheaper, it would be a great idea to make a large batch of food with a large amount of ingredients. You would then probably need to freeze it. Later, you can use it for several days. Foods like curry, soups, fries, and casseroles are great for you to reheat and enjoy for many days. Number 9, eat out less. Although the ease of buying prepared food can be compelling, it would cost you much more than making your food at home. Most of the students waste a large part of their money on buying prepared junk food. For instance, $10 that you spend on buying a burger can be used to make 5 burgers at home. This will also increase your cooking skills and make you the most favorite among your roommates if you share this food with them. Number 10, don't food shop on an empty stomach. Going shopping when you are hungry will make you feel like needing more food stuff, so you should plan your shopping time only after having your meals. That way you will be better able to understand what you actually need to buy and how much you need to spend. Number 11, don't have a pet. This might hurt you, but it's the bitter truth. Pets are expensive and cost you hundreds of dollars per year. The occasional medical treatment they require further adds to this expense. The time that you spend looking after them can instead be spent on studying or working. That's too a cost that you have to pay for keeping pets. Number 12, earn some passive income. This last trick is actually not saving what we have, it's about adding to your income stream. There are a number of ways that you can add a handsome amount of money to enable you to make more savings. There's a bunch of options like blogging, affiliate marketing, putting ads on your car, and dropshipping available to you for earning passive income. Thanks for watching.